Hey guys, welcome to the Bravo Connection. Today we have a 2024 Lexus NX 450h. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light for this vehicle. So let's go ahead and put it on the on position. I pressed the start stop button twice. You could also start the vehicle. Let's just go ahead and start it. And then you can see there it says maintenance required. So to reset it, we're going to be going over to the navigation screen here, and then we're going to be using this button right here. It looks like a little sprocket, but it's the settings menu. From here you're going to go to the bottom here, all the way down to, I think I passed it, vehicle customize, and then we're going to go all the way down to utility, and in here you're going to see scheduled maintenance. Go ahead and reset it. And then oil maintenance, go ahead and click reset, and that's it. Reset's complete. You'll get that message on the screen and you're all done. You can go ahead and go back to your home menu wherever you had it, and you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.